Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Virgos. I'll be picking few cards from this deck, guys, and I will be giving an angel guidance message at last. Five of Pentacles, Justice. With these cards, Virgos, I feel things are falling into place, what it should be, okay, in your work. Things are happening as you had hoped for, and in your relationship also, how things are going. You are really happy, content. You have that emotional satisfaction, joy, content, and what to say, happiness in you guys. Maybe some of you all are planning to start a family, have a child. Maybe there may be some kind of hindrance to that, maybe some kind of block to that. You are planning to start have a child. For some of you all, that may not what to say, that there may be some worries regarding that. Maybe that you're not yet conceiving, or your person is not yet consenting for that decision, something of that sort. But you are happy in this relationship. You are happy how things are going in this relationship. You feel your person is treating you, what to say, with equality, trust, and they are very honest. So things are going in a happy phase, guys, other than this small worry, Virgos. Let us see what is the energy with the other cards, guys. Let us see what is coming up. Virgos, what is coming for Virgos? Twins. With these cards, guys, I feel your person is trying to do something big in their work, maybe, and that is the reason, that may be the reason for your worry. They are not able to concentrate in your relationship. Some kind of challenging situation they are facing in their work. Um, that may be the energy. So they are not what to say, they do not have the time and inclination to start a family, have I mean, to make a bold step in your relationship, guys. You may feel you are being used, guys. This may be your energy or your person's energy. You feel your time and energy is being wasted in this relationship, because this person does not consent for your decision, or uh, they do not have the time and energy to listen to you. So you are facing few challenges, guys, and even your person is facing challenges. So that is the energy, guys. Both of you all are facing challenges, so it is really difficult in your relationship. That is what you feel, guys. Let us see what the angels are guiding us today, what action we should do to overcome these challenges. Cherish innocence. So with this card, guys, I feel sometimes you need to let go of your past and have that what to say, spontaneity in yourselves, to think and decide on few things, just like a child. So you have to release the burdens of your heart, or whatever you have in your mind, and you need to love and look at the beautiful things around you, and wonder about the things around you, and just enjoy the present day. Have that playfulness in your heart, guys. When you do that, you just open yourself to more joy and happiness, Virgos. So that is the angel's message for you all today. So this may not be a serious problem. You just need to what to say be what to say be have to have that innocence in your heart, have that outlook just like a child with wonder and joy at your situation. When you do that, you will just have so much happiness even from small things in your life, guys. So that is the reading for you all, Virgos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.